Hello friends, welcome back to my channel RishitInspiringKids. Today I'm going to share with you top 20 mind-blowing English grammar quiz for all grades. So please watch the video till end. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Your first question is, I saw a dash of fish near the beach. Colony, school, flock. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is school. The term school is a collective noun used specifically to describe a group of fish swimming together. Your next question is, what would the correct pronoun be? I met Sonia yesterday. Dash made me laugh. It, she, her. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is she. The correct answer is she. In the sentence, she refers directly to Sonia. Your next question is, there dash one dash sleeping on the bed. Is cat, are cat, are cats. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is cat. One means singular, so you don't need to add s ending. Since there is one, you would say there is one cat or cat is sleeping on the bed. Your next question is, the weather is cold, up, down. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is cold. The word cold is the correct answer because it is the only option that makes sense in the context of the sentence. Your next question is, what is the plural of book? Bookies, books, books. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is books. The plural form of book is books, formed by simply adding s to the end. Your next question is, cows, elephants, and gazelles are in groups known as colonies, flocks, herds. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is herds. The term herd is a collective noun used to describe groups of certain animals, particularly large mammals such as cows, elephant, and gazelles. Your next question is, what's the plural of lady? Ladies, ladies, ladies. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is ladies. The plural form of lady is ladies. English nouns ending in y preceded by a consonant usually change the y to I and add es to form the plural. Your next question is, if you see a swarm of dash, please take as many photographs as you can. Dogs, bees, camels. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is bees. Your next question is, what's the plural of bush? Bush, bushes, bushies. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is bushes. The plural of bush is bushes. For nouns ending in sh, we add es to form the plural, as this makes pronunciation smoother. Your next question is, the dash chair was broken. It old 5. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is old. The word old is the correct answer because it is the only option that makes sense in the sentence. The sentence states that the chair was broken. Your next question is, what would the correct pronoun be? My grandparents live in Mumbai. Dash visit us often. They, them, he. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is they. The correct answer is they. This is plural subject pronoun, refers back to grandparents, also a plural noun. Plural noun. Your next question is, the dash neighbors have a dog. Brick on new. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is new. The word new is the correct answer because new is the most appropriate word to describe the neighbors. Your next question is, Dash has always trusted her boyfriend. She. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is she. The correct answer is she. This pronoun is needed to indicate the subject of the sentence is female. Your next question is, there dash two dash in the barn. Is horses or horse or horses. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is are horses. Your next question is, what's the plural form of mouse? Mice, mouses, mousies. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is mice. Your next question is, a dash sound woke me up. Loud red woke. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is loud. Your next question is, my dog hides under the table when he hears thunder. What is the preposition? Dog under hides. The time starts now. And your correct answer is under. The preposition is in the sentence is under. It indicates the location or position of where the dog hides when he hears thunder. Your next question is, what would the correct word be? The branch dashed John's mom inside the car. Trap, trapped, will trap. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is trapped. The sentence describes a past event, so the verb needs to be in the past. Trapped is the past tense of trap, indicating that the branches were has already trapped John's mom. Your next question is: ocean levels dash tomorrow. Rose will rise, rising. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is will rise. The phrase tomorrow indicates that the action will take place in the future. Will rise is the correct future tense form. The last question is: what would the correct word be? By the time we arrived, they dashed the meeting. Leave, had left, will leave. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is had left, because the sentence refers to an action completed before another action in the past. Thank you, friends. If you liked my session, please hit the like button, please subscribe. Also, don't forget to share these videos to your friends. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.